43. Better sugar candy, but you still won't marry me. Angeline the baker, Angeline I know, should have married Angeline 20 years ago. Bought Angeline a brand new dress, neither black nor brown. It was a color of stormy skies before the rain came down. 16 horses in my team, the leader he was blind. Dreamed that I was dying and I saw my Angeline. Angeline the baker, age of 43. Better sugar candy, but you still won't marry me. Angeline the baker, Angeline I know, should have married Angeline 20 years ago.
Thank you. Oh, thank you very much. Too kind. That's Angeline the baker. Now the next song.